Turning back now to one of the most closely watched and controversial bills at the state capitol.
Yeah, Governor Brown signed that bill today. That means parents will no longer be able to avoid vaccinating their kids because of personal or religious beliefs. KCRA 3's Sharakina Shams is here now with why the fight is not over yet. Shara?
Edie, almost as soon as the governor's office announced that he had signed the bill, opponents promised a referendum and lawsuits, saying they will sue to make sure their unvaccinated kids are allowed to go to school.
With their babies in their arms and on their backs, these parents say they can breathe a little easier today for the bill that Governor Brown signed into law.
That's awesome. I am so relieved and excited.
They wore shirts with messages like "I love immunity" to show support for California's new law making vaccines mandatory for school children.
I feel really a lot more safe for my son.
The bill means parents can no longer avoid vaccinating kids because of personal beliefs. The only exception allowed now will be a medical exemption, meaning your doctor would have to say that your child shouldn't be vaccinated. Otherwise, your child would have to be homeschooled. The bill's author is Sacramento Senator Dr. Richard Pan, a pediatrician. He says the bill puts science above fear.
Vaccines are safe, and vaccines save lives.
Meanwhile, outside the state capitol today,
this is my oldest daughter, Ella, the one that was hospitalized.
A very different reaction from parents like Kimberly McCauley. She says her 2-year-old daughter had an adverse reaction to multiple vaccines, and she won't let her receive the remainder of her vaccines.
I will be suing if my daughter is denied the right to go to school.
On what grounds?
Discrimination. In California law, it is a fundamentally protected constitutional right to be able to go to school.
Pan believes the bill will withstand legal challenges.
The courts have been very clear. You don't have a right to spread a communicable disease, that there's a public interest in keeping our community safe from disease.
Richard Pan says he's also confident the bill will survive a referendum because he says the majority of Californians support vaccination. Now, there are only 2 groups of students who will be impacted first: those entering kindergarten and those entering 7th grade. So what about students in all the other grades? Edie Gulston tonight at 6 will tell you more about who won't be affected right away and why.
Interesting. This has been contentious really from the start. So let's talk about the kids and when this new law takes place, because school starts in a couple months.
It doesn't officially take effect until January 1 of 2016, but what that really means is that it won't affect you until next school year starts, so fall of 2016, the 2016-17 school year.
All right, Sharon, thanks.